I work in the summers. Usually every summer I'm a waitress, and that really helps me finance my education and my living expenses. But I did want to find an opportunity that would help me see what it is that I'm really interested in doing in the future, and something that would help me gain the skills and the mindset to go out and impact change in the world through my career.
They really emphasized growing in your leadership skills and your networking skills, so I thought that would be an awesome opportunity, especially as an undergraduate.
What's really attractive and exciting about the Mulholland Cravens program is the breadth of the experience that it gives the students. It provides students with an opportunity to have an internship in the summer. We also supplement that with leadership training, alumni mentoring, so that the students are getting a well-rounded experience, really learning what their internship is contributing to their development and to their career prospects.
I was an intern at the Minnesota Children's Museum in downtown St. Paul. I was helping them figure out how children learn in the museum, how parents and children interact in the museum, and how the exhibits could help facilitate that learning and play. And that was really powerful because it was really taking what I was learning in the classroom and applying it to not only just a non-classroom setting, but really a research setting.
So the internship I did over the summer with the Sabo Center for Democracy and Citizenship was very unique in that my supervisors and I created it ourselves. I did a lot of one-to-one meetings with leaders, students, faculty. I also helped out with trainings, and then I also created a student group which is centered around this idea that citizens can make change themselves.
I ended up interning in Chicago, Illinois, where I was a data science intern at Blue Cross Blue Shield. Healthcare is an industry that hasn't really taken advantage of using data from claims or other medical records in improving the lives of patients or lowering the cost of healthcare. And so it was a really exciting time to be working as a data scientist in the healthcare industry, just because we were working on some of the models or visualizations that had never been done before. I was able to get a full-time offer to return once I graduate. So now when I finish my senior year this year, I will be moving to Chicago and then starting as a full-time data scientist at Blue Cross and Blue Shield.
The world is changing rapidly, and that's where organizations are right now. We're at such a dynamic moment in economies and societies that the kind of skills that you get through internships, through liberal arts, are exactly what leads you to be successful in today's economy.
One of the biggest breakthroughs I think I had during this internship was figuring out why it is that I care about helping people and empowering people. It's about working towards something that's bigger than myself. And in the context that we live in right now, I think that's more important than ever.